You're hanging in there, Loretta. You really are. Hanging in there like a hair in a biscuit, aren't you? Aren't you? I think now it's officially a race car. Subscribe to JH Diesel. Good dude. Now I'm gonna tear apart this 5.3. It's been sitting at Cody's place for a while. Before that it was dirty, so I'm gonna take this vacuum here and kind of just suck the crap out of it. Doesn't really matter, I'm gonna pull the heads off anyway, but the less stuff falls down the cylinders, the better, right? All right, so I pretty much got it clean. I mean, as clean as it's gonna get. I'm gonna take the steam vent crossover off. Probably should have vacuumed that out a little bit, but again, this thing's gonna get a thorough cleaning. Am I gonna fit? Not quite. Well, I haven't bought a 1/2 inch impact yet because I hadn't really needed one. My little brother's got this one back in the back, so I'm grateful for that. I always clean his tools up before I put them back too, so maybe he'll walk in tomorrow to see his nice, bright red, shiny Milwaukee and not be too mad at me for using it. I'm just kidding, we trade tools all the time, so here we go. Yeah, boy. You need the extension on that one. Deep, deep wells. Gosh, barks all the time. The grand reveal. There we go. There you go. All right. Guess we should look at the bottom of these heads. Yeah.
It's not a great way to look at the bottom of the heads.
Yeah, it's not at all, is it? Man, it's crazy. Look how much aluminum is there before it hits the gasket.
I know, that's what I was telling you. That's why I was pouring my own.
Yeah,
because
why not, right?
Yeah, all this, all that black soot right there can be taken out.
Yep. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that face. Wow, she looks like a pit bull. Angry. Get it! Oh yeah, get it. I've never seen her act like that.
Public enemy number one.
Hey, quit. I reckon that's good. Good enough. But this floor has got some stories to tell, I would imagine. Built in the 40s, dude. Think about that. Couple little Dale dribbles here and there. This is easy when it's greasy. This is the first time I've ever taken heads off something.
Really?
Really.
Wow.
Tis indeed. Dynaspeed did my truck. I wish I'd done it, but I didn't. Well, as you saw, this cylinder's got some pretty extensive, I don't even know what to call it,
characteristics.
It's got a nice little artistic thing in it, and yeah, I am going to, this is probably so wrong on so many levels.
It's not a great idea, but
it is. It's only 1,000 grit. It's a lot finer than what they use to hone them out. I think might be 2,000. I'm gonna do a little test spot up here. Oh yeah, it's finer than what they use. So
most of ours were mushroom shaped.
Yeah, it's an 11. Got it.
Boom. You got it. Be gentle with it.
Yeah.
I just buy some piston rings. And
yeah, while it's out, at least gap them while it's out.
Yep. Yep. Just
I'll see if I can get some mollies.
Because it's not. It's You saw
we
how,
got the slugs out. It ain't nothing to it.
I mean, you see how
It
hard
is.
It's
Dude,
not
there's nothing to this.
right.
I don't know why for so long, I just hadn't messed with it.
There's.
You know, going back together, things need to be torqued properly, but
They do. I mean, and that's.
I got a good torque wrench.
Yeah.
You're hanging in there, Loretta. You really are. Hanging in there like a hair in a biscuit, aren't you? Aren't you? See, the great thing about this hat mount is that when Loretta looks at me, she's looking at y'all. Cylinder number 6, piston number 6. Thankfully, Josh has got years and years and years of experience doing motor stuff. And I don't. All right, Josh, what time is it?
It is 4:03 a.m.
Sweet. We just got all of the slugs out of the jugs and they're over there cleaned up, nicely labeled. All of them look all right. I mean, here's what it is. And now we are gonna pull the cam out. It's the first time I've ever pulled a cam out. I've watched enough YouTube videos, I think I know what I'm doing.
Look at that. Like a pro. Just gotta get around those cam lobes.
When you get slugs out, it's easy.
Hmm?
You get slugs out, it's real easy.
Mm-hmm. There you go, over here home stretch.
I'm cheating.
You ain't cheating.
It's alright, be fine.
There she is. One more.
Woo! Lazy little cam right there. Was that like a 215, 218? Something like that.
Something small.
duration.
Something very, very small.
Something torquey though.
Yes. Truck cams
Real
are always
torquey.
torquey. We have successfully disassembled this entire thing.
Yes, sir. We have. I have a month before this car has to be in Augusta, Georgia.
Driving
I'm driving, sliding.
and sliding.
So, wouldn't have it any other way.
These bare bones.
Down to the black.
Are you gonna polish that?
Yeah. You know I can't help myself.
I think you can make 1,000 on these sleeves, honestly.
Really?
Yes, really. Because if you're
rods and pistons,
everything, I think
so
you're
I can easily spray my 250 shot.
Oh yeah.
If I do rods and pistons.
No doubt. Yep. I think it's time for me to go home. It is 4:30 a.m.
I think
most people are getting up to go to work now.
I think I'm gonna take a nap here in the office and keep slinging because I'm quickly running out of time. So
I hear you, buddy.
I've been thinking about doing it for a while and hadn't yet, so I think I will. Put my truck in the back door. I ain't gotta worry about it. Well, Josh, I definitely could not have done any of this without you, man.
It ain't nothing.
So
Ain't no thing.
I am so excited.
You get your parts, we'll slap them back together in a couple hours and be ready to roll.
As promised, 1/2" impact up, clean. Whatever you say, Loretta. Whatever you say. Man, I got a mess to clean up, boy. He's rough on this sucker right here, boy. That's a money maker. You know what? I really like having clean tools. Always have. Always spend a little time cleaning them up before I'm done for the day. Makes me happy. If you borrow something, make sure it's in better condition than when you got it, when you return it. Just be a good human, you know? It's not all that hard. See, he wouldn't have even known I borrowed this, but now he will. Be like, dang, my Milwaukee's all cleaned up. Y'all still haven't met my little brother, Sean. All right, so after looking at a couple of potential bottle placements, I made an executive decision to remove the convertible top. This car is not really ever gonna see rain conditions, hopefully. It'll be a car that I can take around town, but I'm not gonna take it out when it's wet. And I hope, I'm going to get a Z06 top and put on there. We'll see what happens. I think it's just those three. Not really sure. It all has to come out in order to remove a convertible top. It looks like that's it. It really appear to be budging. This one was already loose. Whoops. Yeah, I missed that one on that side. That would be why it didn't fall out. Just gonna climb in here and jerk her out. Whew. Hope I don't lose a finger. Oh yeah, there she goes. Oh yeah, baby. Now I'm curious how much this sucker weighs. It ain't light. Ain't light at all. Whoops. Just boogered that up. Stay. Oh, buddy. Yeah, it ain't light. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Woo. I think now it's officially a race car. Woo, what a struggle. If I look at Josh's mustache, that right there is, woo. Man.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fabulous.
Oh boy. Well, I got a lot of this stuff torn out of here. I didn't film any of it because I've just kind of been slinging. The main thing is I'm getting rid of all of the factory wiring harness. It's all junk, it's all crispy, crunchy. I don't trust it. Got my head soaking in some degreaser. Got Loretta sniffing around. I'm gonna show you, hello? I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. Kind of saw it before. We're getting there. Still don't know whether or not I should run AC later on. Definitely not gonna run it for right now. But all of that wiring right there is about to go away. I took the hood hinges off, which was quite a nice feeling. All right, so I got the old computer out, almost all the wiring. Just trying to figure out what goes to what controls the engine, what's connected to the body control module, I don't want to get rid of something that maybe down the road I wished I hadn't. You stop. As you can see, there's a lot of dangly wires. Here is the old ECU. 1997 technology, give or take. Actually, they got better over the years, so 2001 technology nonetheless. The Holly will replace everything that this does, and then some. So we'll also clean up all the wiring, and I won't have to deal with 20-year-old crusty wiring.